Okay, now understanding the concept of body, mind, and soul.
शरीर, मन और आत्मा का कॉन्सेप्ट समझिए.
Very important to understand. Because this all affects our health. Our mind affects our health. Okay?
आपका मन आपके शरीर पर कैसे इफेक्ट करता है?
For people who accept they are body, mind, and soul. You accept body,
शरीर, मन
mind,
और
and soul.
आत्मा.
Ultimately, we are body, mind, and soul. Okay, my friends? Next, body. Physical shape,
बॉडी का जो शेप है हमारा फिजिकल जो दिखता है,
organs,
अंदर के ऑर्गन्स,
fluid,
जो द्राव है,
and
फ्लूइड है,
solid.
और जो सॉलिड है.
Where the fluid? Blood,
फ्लूइड क्या है? ब्लड,
water,
पानी.
solid,
सॉलिड में क्या है?
bones,
हमारी
hair,
हड्डियां है, बाल
the
है,
veins.
नाखून है.
It's all the solid things in the body. Look at this. So it's a very big thing. What happens? So, okay. Look. It's a very big thing. All this have to work. The skeleton have to work. The nervous system. We talked about all of this just now. Huh? So now body needs proper environment, proper body temperature.
बॉडी
It
को अच्छा
must be
एनवायरनमेंट
36.8. Okay, then it needs a nobody can change it. This is how you are. But 36.8. During COVID, everyone know your temperature. Correct, brother? Yes or no? Enter the mall, cannot go inside. Outside, put the aircon and come here, run inside. Yes or no? Factory, everywhere. Offices. Next on the body pH. What's the body pH? All of you guys. 7.3, 7.4. That's the body pH.
मेरे बॉडी का पीएच क्या होना चाहिए? 7.3 to 7.4.
What's the pH of water?
पानी का पीएच क्या होता है?
Come on. 7.
पानी का पीएच 7 होता है.
When you put lemon juice,
इसमें
lemon
lemon
acid.
acid
Acid. When I put some kind of what can I say? When I put carrot juice, I put milk.
तो दूध डालेंगे
It's
तो
alkaline.
वो अल्कलाइन बन जाएगा.
That's all. Some are alkaline, some are acidic. If you put pineapple juice, acidic. Understand? If you put acid, if you put milk in the lime juice, what happens?
दूध के अंदर नींबू का जूस डालेंगे तो क्या
It
होगा?
colors, and you take it and make paneer.
उसमें से पनीर बनेगा.
So what it neutralizes the lemon juice. Lemon juice is 1 or 2 very acid.
लेमन जूस बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिक होता है.
Understand? So like that, you must understand. The body is 7.3, 7.4. I cannot change this. Okay? Then comes the body needs proper nourishment. Chemicals are for well-being. Gas for the well. What gas?
कौन सा गैस चाहिए हमारी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा होगा?
Oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन.
So with the carbon dioxide. So we need chemicals. Food can which
कुछ
chemicals right now be made by the body.
ये केमिकल्स हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ही बनते हैं.
Which chemical right now?
कौन सा केमिकल अभी बन रहा है?
After lunch, you put potato in
इंसुलिन.
the rice.
एसिड.
What? Insulin. Stop again, faster. Don't go on like insulin. Come now. Getting ready for the sugar that's going to be formed. That's not my friend. Yes, something working automatic. You don't even know. You don't know about insulin, but the body is working right now, thinking.
हमारी बॉडी अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली बात करती
Okay,
है.
take a one, please, all of you. Healing one, healing condition. My solar plexus, my stomach, my liver, my gallbladder. It's triple one, huh? Healing one, single one, huh? Healing one, healing condition. My solar plexus and my stomach. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because you put all of this thing inside. And also you add this one also, add this also. So the stomach seeing many things. The potato, this one, and all the sabji, all the salty food, the onions, many things.
बहुत अच्छा अच्छा खाना है.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How do you feel? You feel like that now? You feel like
टाइट लग
that?
रहा है?
Yes.
सबकी नींद हो गई?
Now the digestion will be much more easier and better. Understand? Very much better to see who eat the food and eat. Nobody eat the food and eat. Then how better? Eat the food and eat. Some people tell me yesterday, that's the, I'll eat the food and eat. You are the one. Some people say, I will eat the food. Yes. You must eat the food and eat. Come here, brother. Come quickly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand here. Put it one here. Hold the left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand. Left hand, left hand. Answer please. You see, here. See. See. Killing on, blaze away, burn away all the toxic energy, all the negative energy, whatever disease energy, this is carrying. 1, 2, 3.
toxic energy
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hands up, please. See. Now you will breathe better.
अब इसकी टॉक्सिसिटी कम हो गई।
No. One break. No.
Try.
Okay. It's better. You go inside and have lesser problem for the digestion, less problem. That's all. Understand? Okay, good. So food, carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, and the body manufactures its own chemicals.
शरीर अपने खुद के केमिकल्स बनाता है।
The body has the power of making its own chemicals. Insulin, what else? Amylase, peptic acid, amino acid, fatty acid.
लैक्टिक एसिड ये सब शरीर बनाता है।
The body makes its own acid in the stomach called hydrochloric acid.
शरीर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड भी बनाता है।
So remember, the body is very, very powerful. It's a manufacturing plant.
तो अपना शरीर एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है और बहुत
So the
पावरफुल
body is very important for the special hormones.
हार्मोन्स के लिए बॉडी का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत
Endocrine
important है।
hormones,
जैसे
enzyme, amino acids,
अमीनो
and
एसिड्स
fatty acids.
और फैटी एसिड्स।
Drink themselves, madam. All excess sugar becomes fat.
जो ज्यादा शुगर आप खाते हो, चीनी लेते हो, उसका फैट में रूपांतर होता है।
Indian people, where to put excess fat? Boom.
इंडियन लोगों की फैट कहाँ पे बैठती है?
Boom. Don't be angry with me, madam. I'm an Indian Taba. All of Punjabi ladies. Eating, madam. I say, what happened here? All eating. They're so big, madam. So big. I don't know whether they can sit down in the toilet or not. So difficult, understand that fact. Why all the oily food, man? Kebab was so much oil. Listen now, madam. I went to Amritsar. They took me to a very famous kebab. I said, I can't eat here. Why are you coming, madam? Food's not coming. Why are you coming? All butter, ghee. Where the ghee will go? Please understand, Please understand, All the fat will go somewhere and sit somewhere. How we mess our whatever eating wrong food.
हम गलत खाना खाते हैं, अपने शरीर को कैसे
No
तकलीफ
proper
पहुंचाते हैं।
diet. Next, dehydration, not enough water.
कम पानी पीते हैं तो डिहाइड्रेशन
Cold
होता है
and hot food.
और ठंडा और एकदम गर्म खाना खाते हैं।
The Chinese have a way of doing it. What is very cold, must eat hot food. So what is very hot, must eat cold food.
चाइनीज लोगों का एक तरीका है, जब तुम्हारी शरीर गर्म है तो ठंडा खाना
So,
खाओ,
woman's
शरीर
menstrual
ठंडा है
cycle
तो गर्म खाना
will
खाओ।
be 28 days. During the cycle, she goes through many hormonal changes. Many.
मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल में महिलाओं में बहुत हार्मोनल
Can
चेंजेस हो
have
जाते हैं
emotions in many different
और
ways.
बहुत इमोशनल चेंजेस भी होते हैं।
Just thinking of the periods will give a lot of
पीरियड्स के बारे
uneasiness.
में सोच के भी बहुत चिंता होती है।
See how much
uneasiness होता
hormones
है।
must change. See,
ये इतने सारे हार्मोन्स शरीर में तैयार होते हैं।
watch this video. See, 1-2 days. Look at how she low estrogen, fatigue,
एस्ट्रोजन
cramps.
ग्रैम्स आने शुरू हुए।
Okay, gone. No more period. Happy.
3-4 दिन में पीरियड खत्म हो गया तो खुश हो गई।
Wow. ready to go for a party. As per there. Yeah, all the homework to go up and down. Correlation. It is coming now on the 14th day.
14 दिन के बाद फिर से शुरू हो गया पीरियड।
Some people have pain during that time. Breast will start to pain.
बहुत बॉडी में पेन होता है, इमोशनल चेंजेस आने लगते हैं,
Estrogen goes down.
टेस्टोस्टेरोन और प्रोजेस्टेरोन ड्रॉप होता है, ऑयली स्किन हो जाती है, सेंसिटिव हो जाती है। इस टाइम आपको हेल्दी खाना चाहिए। प्रोजेस्टेरोन अगर हाई हो गया तो ब्लोटिंग होता है और शरीर की ताकत कम होने लगती है।
Start all over again.
ये
Start all over again.
चलते रहता है, ये साइकिल
Start all over
एक
again.
महिला के लाइफ में चलते रहता
How
है।
much women go through every day.
महिलाएं कितना सहन करती है।
So please have that. So the mind thoughts and thought forms. Feelings,
मन, विचार, थॉट फॉर्म्स,
conscious and subconscious.
आपके
You can know them by the body language, by the eyes they look at
चेत
you.
दिमाग में
Human mind is very complicated.
ह्यूमन
The
माइंड
body
बहुत
is made
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
of
है।
trillions of cells.
हमारे शरीर में बहुत ट्रिलियंस ऑफ पेशियां हैं,
And they function to
हर एक
do.
का एक फंक्शन है
Our mind is a governor of all of these cells.
और हमारा दिमाग इस सारे पेशियों का गवर्नर होता है।
Okay, right. Now, it is very powerful as part of our existence. Next, it can be controlled. Yes.
दिमाग को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, हाँ।
Who controls the mind?
कौन कंट्रोल करता है
How is it controlled?
और ये कैसे कंट्रोल होता है?
Has it been programmed?
क्या इसको प्रोग्राम किया जाता है?
Next, something that we always hear.
हम हमेशा ये
My
सुनते
doctor
हैं।
said this.
मेरे डॉक्टर ने
My
कहा,
psychiatrist said
मेरे
this.
साइकियाट्रिस्ट ने ये कहा,
My physiotherapist said
मेरे
this.
फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ने मुझे ये
My
बताया,
master said this.
मेरे मास्टर ने मुझे ये
They
बताया।
cannot change. They just listen. Oh, my doctor says, keep on saying the same thing. You know, I went to USA. Because
So
boy,
USA.
it's not a knee pain. I am healing. Oh, my physiotherapist said this. I'm healing. Keep on saying
सर
that. Okay,
हील कर रहे थे पेन को पैर के,
thank you very much. I can't heal
वो
you.
लेडी से मेरे फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ने ये बताया, इसी पे
The
अटकी
mind is so
मैंने
programmed.
उसको बोला थैंक यू, आप चले जाओ,
It's so difficult to heal people, you know. So
क्योंकि उनके
difficult.
मन का प्रोग्रामिंग ऐसे था।
Like that, mind. Next, this can stop the body from healing.
क्या दिमाग आपकी बॉडी का हीलिंग स्टॉप कर
So
सकता है?
much that it can heal itself.
आपका शरीर अपने आप को एक्चुअली हील कर सकता है।
There's an internal self-healing system. That we all have a self-system inside us.
अपना एक अंदरूनी हीलिंग सिस्टम होता है।
You know what's a placebo, madam?
क्या आपको प्लेसिबो
You
इफेक्ट मालूम है?
see, physical body. They say
Yeah,
that
physical body
please
body
give a
body
patient
body.
that very ill and pill, what you know, sugar and milk or flour can heal themselves. May they get healed.
आपको सिर्फ पिल्स दिए जाते हैं,
You tell them, this pill is from America, very fantastic, so great. Your body, especially for you. You have, oh yes, I feel better.
ऐसा पिल खा के आपको लगता है हाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अभी।
Like this. Look at this girl. See. Young fellow. Maybe 3 years old.
3 साल का बच्चा कैसे दीवार पे चढ़ रहा है?
How easy, huh? How big. When Indian child, will you make it plan? No plan from your hometown. Grandmother, father, all will come. Then outside will be brave. See. You believe in yourself. Still difficult. Running away.
I had to share this video with you because when I started watching it myself, I said there is no way that this baby is going to reach the top of this rock climbing wall. That's insane. Babies are not rock climbers, and I was totally wrong. When I started watching it, I didn't know what to expect, but somehow the baby has the bravery to climb up that wall, and I know they have the protective mats there and the parents are right there, but still, it's amazing, and it goes to show you the people who get stuff done, it's not necessarily because they are stronger. This is just a baby, right? It doesn't mean they're smarter, but the people who do stuff are so often just the ones who try and the ones who work hard. That's the big secret.
Okay, guys, so placebo effect. The opposite work as well. You believe that nothing can cure you, or no medicine. So if you think that there's no medicine, nothing can cure you, it will not get healed.
और अगर आपने सोचा कि मुझे कोई भी दवाई काम नहीं करेगी, असर नहीं करेगी, तो वो नहीं करेगी.
Very important. It's nocebo. Negative thought will stop healing. Stop your success. Stop you from becoming good.
आपका हीलिंग बंद कर सकते हैं, आपकी सक्सेस में बाधा डाल सकते हैं.
Something wrong with the videos. Give 1 minute. 1 minute.
सकारात्मक विचार आपको ठीक कर सकते हैं, लेकिन नकारात्मक विचार आपको मार डाल सकते हैं.
What kind of negative thinking?
किस तरीके का नेगेटिव थिंकिंग?
I wish I was never born.
काश मैं जन्म ही नहीं लेता.
I wish I don't want to get up tomorrow morning. I just want to die. I just want to
मुझे
go.
मरना है, मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं, मुझे मर जाना है.
That's what I'm trying to say, huh? Why? Why was one
Negative thinking, and it's called the nocebo effect. And in the same power that positive thinking can heal you, negative thinking can kill you.
This one is seen in many parts of the world, especially in India, where people carry a lot of negative energy that I see.
इंडिया के लोगों में बहुत नकारात्मक ऊर्जा है.
Nocebo effect is when you have a very positive thought that something can heal you, even if it's a sugar pill, but you believe it's the real medicine, then you can heal yourself with that. So the pill didn't heal you, it was the thought that healed you.
Explain that.
वो जो तुमने दवाई खाई थी उसने तुमको हील किया नहीं है, तुम्हारे विचार ने तुमको मारा है. तुम्हारे विश्वास ने तुमको किल किया है. हील या किल? हील और किल.
Yeah. You can heal or you can die. You thought form.
Your
Look at this.
thought form, तुम्हारे विचार, तुम्हारे विश्वास तुमको ठीक कर सकते हैं या मार सकते हैं.
50 trillion cells.
We are made of 50 trillion cells. We are a community.
Every cell has about 1.4 volts, not too much. 50 trillion cells.
हमारे शरीर में
in the
50
body.
ट्रिलियन सेल्स है,
Times
पेशियां हैं
1.4 volts is 700
और हर एक में
trillion
इंटेलिजेंस
volts
है।
of electricity in your body. But your mind is
The
the
governor
governor
of your soul.
for the 50
तुम्हारा
trillion
दिमाग
cells.
तुम्हारे सोल्स का
So
तुम्हारे
if you
सेल्स का
change
गवर्नर
your
है।
thought and your mind,
What happened?
you can change the
What you tell me?
And the mind is the primary cause of
There is no goodness of
on
God.
our planet today.
Hey?
You change your perception, you change the reading of your genes. If someone tells you you're going to have a disease,
Oh, there's not many goodness at all. I mean, God.
made out of 50 trillion cells.
You have
So
50
you are a
trillion cells.
community, not a single person. Every cell has about 1.4 volts, not too much. 50 trillion cells in the body times 1.4 volts is 700 trillion volts of electricity in your body. But your mind
Mind
is the governor for the 50 trillion cells. So if you change your thought and your mind, you can change the biology. And the mind is the primary cause of illness
illness
on our
is
planet
planet
today.
today. Your
You
mind.
change your perception, you change the reading of your genes. If someone tells you you're going to have a disease and you believe that, then you can create the disease. Perception can rewrite the genetic code. So perception controls life. No two people see the world in the same way. They have different perceptions. And sometimes your perceptions can be right and sometimes your perceptions can be wrong. Since perception controls biology, and since they can be right or wrong, then it's more accurate to say that belief controls biology. What you believe creates your life. On the inside and on the outside. You are responsible for what unfolds in your life.
You guys,
आपका विश्वास ही आपकी जिंदगी बनाता है या बिगाड़ता है। आपकी बायोलॉजी भी चेंज करता है।
If we were growing up and programmed with stronger beliefs, we would be more powerful than we are now. When you are conscious, you can rewrite the instincts, and when you become conscious, you can rewrite the experiences of your life. So that it is important to recognize that what we are not using enough of in our world today is consciousness.
okay, one more last video.
Effect is when you have a very positive thought that something can heal you, even if it's a sugar pill, but you believe it's the real medicine, then you can heal yourself with that. So the pill didn't heal you, it was the thought that healed you.
Okay, madam? Then I speak them, I speak. The thoughts are very important. The
आपके
mind.
विचार बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। अगर आप सोचते हो कि हम ठीक हो सकते हैं, तो आपने एक छोटी सी शक्कर की गोली भी खाई तो आपको लगेगा कि हम इससे ठीक हो गए। लेकिन अगर आपका विचार नेगेटिव है, नकारात्मक है, तो आपको अच्छे से अच्छी दवाई भी ठीक नहीं कर पाएगी। इट इज योर थॉट्स जो आपको बनाते हैं या बिगाड़ते हैं, मतलब मार भी डालते हैं।
This lady came to class. She was very bad arthritis. She cannot even carry the grandson. And after that, she came to the class. She got healed.
In 6 months, you have not taken any medication, right?
6 months.
6 महीने में वो ठीक हो गई है।
And she was saying, now she can take care of the grandchildren. Correct?
अब वो अपने पोते पोतियों को उठा सकती है। पहले वो उनको
Earlier, she had to sleep for 3 times or 4 times a day
She
because
was
she
still
was
every day.
pain.
It was pain.
वो बैठ भी नहीं पाती थी वेदना की वजह से।
Is it true, madam?
Ya no tengo que descansar en mi día, ya me aguanto vivir
Yes, sir. I don't have that nuts during the day, and I can take care of my grandchildren. I'm happy right now.
Remember this, Stop eating all the internet food,
So, okay. This is in Mumbai.
Veena Thakkar.
Your name is?
Veena Thakkar.
We are now in Mumbai.
Yes.
It's the 16th of June 2019. You want to share something? What do you want to share, madam?
My son was in deep depression. He came out 90% now.
You are there,
After
Nishu.
he made him and he removed some souls.
Now it's fine.
Very nice.
Good,
Very nice.
madam.
Now he's going for a work. Even I need my rheumatoid arthritis 85%. Now it's remaining from this palm to this palm only.
Then she couldn't walk in the class.
इनको रोमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस था, चल भी नहीं पाती थी।
After 6 months we healed her, she came back, she said, I am perfect, I can stand, I can walk now.
6 महीने के बाद करने के बाद वो खुद चल के क्लास में आई है।
Tell every Indian to change the food, madam.
6 months. I did not
I
get
tell
dal and
everybody.
chawal.
No doubt, no chawal.
Everybody, madam. I shout, madam. Who listening to me? Change the food. Stop the bloody rice.
Change the food.
What,
सर
madam?
ने उनको बताया खाना चेंज करो,
Dal and chawal, you have
दाल चावल मत खाओ।
I never eat the rice.
You have to stop.
I never eat the sabji. I'm still here
You have to stop.
doing the work.
सर ने खुद से कभी दाल चावल नहीं खाया, सब्जी नहीं खाई, फिर भी मैं
They
भी
do only this now.
Clear. Your food is the biggest problem that you're having right now in India. But who listens, madam? Who listens?
No one listen on food.
we can
You get rid of this off. Go and listen.
सर कहते हैं खाने के बारे में मेरा कोई भी सुनता नहीं
No,
है,
madam.
बाकी
No
सब सुन
matter
लेते हैं।
about anything. Just symptoms only. Not for headache, not for tooth pain, not for period pain. Nothing. Just painkillers and that's all they give you. Even for back pain. Yesterday, how many people had back pain, madam? Exactly. Almost 70% had back pain and everybody is fine today. Why? The black magic is gone. You have to change.
Okay, my friends, understand? Right? Okay, so imagine our feelings and behavior can affect the mind, body, and health around us. Look at what's happening around us.
हमारे फीलिंग्स और हमारा बर्तन हमारे माइंड पे और शरीर पे
This can be the world,
कितना इफेक्ट करता
your
है।
family, your neighbor.
और हमारे सिर्फ हमारे पे नहीं, हमारे फैमिली पे, हमारे नेबर्स पे भी,
So imagine.
सब पे कितना इफेक्ट करता है।
So NLP is neuro linguistic programming.
न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग, ये दिस इज एनएलपी।
Yeah. So the Indians will do a lot of NLP. Go to this temple, do this puja, will be fine. Go to that temple, do this puja, all be fine.
भारत में ये प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत होता है, ये मंदिर में जाओ, वो मंदिर में जाओ, ये पूजा करो तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा। ऐसा प्रोग्रामिंग हमारा बहुत होता है।
They tell you some things that is very good for you. Use this today. You know what I mean? Very good. Water is fantastic, great. You know. So today the sales people do many NLP of people. Okay.
आज के सेल्समैन जो है वो भी एनएलपी कर रहे हैं, प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हैं।
They want to sell you a 3 lakh alkaline water machine.
वो 3 लाख के अल्कलाइन का मशीन भी आपको बेच देते हैं।
What they tell you? Oh, super fantastic. You'll be great. You'll be strong.
आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बन जाओगे, इतना इफेक्टिव है करके आपको कुछ भी बेच सकते
Then
हैं।
auto suggestion.
ऑटो सजेशन,
Feel
खुद
free
को
yourself.
सजेशन देना,
Then you fear a medical specialist.
डर क्रिएट करना।
Okay. Then comes the soul, the human essence, the internal spirit.
आत्मा है,
A semi-fluid that connects to the surrounding aura around you.
ये हमारा मानवीय एसेंस है, ये इनकार्नेटेड स्पिरिट है जो हमारे आसपास फ्लूइड
This aura.
सभी फ्लूइड में रहता है। ये
Energy
हमारा
body,
aura है।
astral body, mental body.
पहले एनर्जी बॉडी, फिर उसके आगे एस्ट्रल बॉडी,
Then
उसके आगे मेंटल
the
बॉडी,
emotional body.
फिर
Every
इमोशनल
man
बॉडी।
also has the use of his astral body. The astral body is a bridge between the mind and the physical brain, where feelings, passion, and desire.
एस्ट्रल बॉडी में आपके विचार, आपके इमोशंस, पैशंस, इच्छाएं सब रहती है।
Okay, now the power of memory and imaginations.
मेमोरी और
Give it
इमेजिनेशन
power.
का क्या पावर है?
Someone with a strong aura would be like this. So bright light around you.
आपके अगर ऑरा स्ट्रांग है तो आप नकारात्मक ऊर्जा को दूर रख सकते हैं, आपका ऑरा स्ट्रांग हो जाता है
Some of the
और
weak aura, you know, like
पॉजिटिविटी
that.
अट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं। लेकिन अगर आपका ऑरा
It
वीक
will
है
attract
तो
negative
आप
energy.
नकारात्मकता अट्रैक्ट करते हैं।
So emotion can be responsible for your aura.
आपके इमोशंस जो है वही आपके ऑरा को,
Anybody have any emotions right now?
यहाँ पे कोई अभी इमोशन,
Anyone have emotions right now?
भावना ज्यादा हो रही है किसी की,
Any lady?
सेंसिटिव लग रहा है
Come,
किसी
madam.
को,
You point that they just not come. How's the fever? Huh? Do aura cleansing. Huh? Do some exercise. Just do this. Just like that, slowly move. Let the blood flow. It'll be fine. Okay? She's scared. Okay? What's her name, madam? Neha. So I'm sensing the animal Neha. Neha is here. Good. Fine. Okay? Good. Here. This side is also good. 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 Fine. What's the next body? Is the energy body. Next emotion body is here.
नेहा की इमोशनल बॉडी बहुत कम है।
Very small. That's all she has. Physical body is fine. But the emotional body is here. Is
एनर्जी
here.
बॉडी अच्छी है,
That's all she has.
इमोशनल बॉडी बहुत कम है।
Ah. So how to do? So you can easily be emotional affects every part. Okay, so what must you do, madam? To come out of this. Your emotion can be responsible for your aura. First of all, take the affirmation, madam. Read the woman affirmation. Okay? Right.
सर ने इनको लेडीज अफर्मेशन पढ़ने को बोला है।
That I am.
पहले आई एम अफर्मेशन पढ़ रहे हैं।
Okay? Now energy body is here. Emotional body is here. Mental body is here.
इमीडिएटली इमोशनल बॉडी बढ़ गई है।
What are you saying? What are you saying, man? I'm not this physical body. I'm not this wrong emotion. I'm not wrong thought. I'm not disturbed. I am the soul. God is my creator. This body of mine is a temple of my soul. I'm a divine spark. I'm going to work. I'm calling God. Day by day, I'm balancing my karma. I'm accepting divine plan, divine direction. Understand? So women carry a lot of emotion. So it's now coming here. The emotional body is here. Mental body is here. Now, read another one. Read the woman's affirmation. Even more powerful.
अब लेडीज अफर्मेशन पढ़ने को बोला
How
है।
they change your emotion. So your emotion is responsible for your aura. So now energy body is even more stronger, better. See, when I say here means it's still here. It's still here. It's still here. The aura is all around you. It's all around you.
आपके ऑरा आपके आजू बाजू इतनी बड़ी
This is the energy
area
body is
में
not
है।
here. It's here. It's here.
यहाँ तक है।
The emotional body is here.
इसके आगे इमोशनल बॉडी है,
Mental body is outside.
इसके आगे मेंटल बॉडी है। तो आपकी ऑरा कितनी बड़ी है आपके आजू
Let's put
बाजू?
it out. And say, as a woman, I've suffered so much. I don't know why. Why I'm born a woman? I wish I was never born. I wish I never born. But what can I do? I got my children, I got one son, two sons.
2 daughters, 1 son.
I got 2 daughters and 1 son. I have to be here for them.
I have to be here for them.
That's the trouble. Because no daughters, no son, I am. Brother, go on. Huh? Thoughts. Energy body. Emotion body. It's all alright. See how fast you can change your emotions. How fast.
विचार बदलने से इनकी बॉडी ऑरा कितना कंट्रोल में आ गया है।
Listen, my friend. This will cause all the problems. Just little bit thinking on it. Not too much. See, this is the energy body. That's all. Mental body, emotional body, and this aura now. This aura now is like this. Like this now.
अभी इनका वीक ऑरा ऐसा दिखता था।
Understand, my friend? It's very important. Even a split second. It's easy to be negative than to be positive.
नकारात्मक होना ज्यादा आसान है।
That's not a problem. It's
Positive
easier to
होना
be negative
बहुत
than to
मुश्किल
be
है।
positive. Because you think same thing. They say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Okay, madam? Now, read again.
आलसी दिमाग में डेविल हमेशा आके बैठता है।
Yes, it's not easy to be positive all the while. With so many things coming around you, this, that. Sometimes you also feel, why you take my mother's business?
हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना आसान नहीं है। हमको
Just taking a
माइंडफुल
job
रहना
to
होगा
be
कि
happy.
हमारे दिमाग क्या चल
Every
रहा
I
है।
get my salary. Yes or no? Sometimes I talk to you. It's not easy. To be positive is so difficult. To be negative is so easy.
नकारात्मक होना बहुत
But keep
आसान
on
है।
doing it. Be positive. Do have good friends. Positive friends. Yes. If you have a very if your wife is not supporting you, you also become negative again. You don't even want to go back home. Understand? After you go back home, negative. Yes, go back home. Yes.
अगर आपकी बीवी आपके साथ अच्छा रिश्ता नहीं रखती तो
Yes or
आपको
no?
घर जाने की भी इच्छा नहीं
See?
होगी।
Now, the aura is not here. This is the energy body, the emotion body. See, very easy. You break it down
Energy
also.
body, emotional
So you
body
must keep
change.
on doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day you want to do this madam. I don't know.
इनको दिन में 6 बार ये करना
6
पड़ेगा।
times. I think I'm okay. Listen, madam. You memorize this, put gently. That's all. Okay, madam? Stop doing. Huh? Okay. Okay, that is. Huh? See how easy the aura can change. So the
aura
bad,
कितनी आसानी से
if you
change
have a
कर सकते
negative friend, that friend will influence you.
अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स नेगेटिव है तो आप भी नेगेटिव हो जाओगे। वो आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं।
Yes. See, madam, like that, huh? So how easy the aura can be affected. The emotion is responsible for your aura. Okay? Next, things that are outside you can see with the energy body. You can start attract energy based on your aura.
जो बाहर है वो आपकी एनर्जी बॉडी में दिखता है और ये आप अट्रैक्ट करते हो।
The energy can also be either negative or
तो आपकी
positive.
एनर्जी बॉडी आइदर पॉजिटिव हो सकती है या नकारात्मक
This
हो
energy
सकती
can
है।
affect you physically, emotionally, and mentally.
और ये नकारात्मकता आपको फिजिकली, इमोशनली और मेंटली आप पर परिणाम कर सकती है।
Okay? Next. So practice spiritual hygiene as an emotional hygiene,
तो आपको इमोशनल हाइजीन प्रैक्टिस करना
verbal
होगा।
hygiene.
वर्बल हाइजीन जो आप बोलते हैं उस पर ध्यान देना पड़ेगा।
You just cannot let go words, madam.
आपके मुंह से कुछ भी ऐसे ही आ जाए ये अच्छी बात नहीं है।
Practice spiritual hygiene. Don't visit wrong places.
गलत जगहों पे मत जाओ, स्पिरिचुअल हाइजीन प्रैक्टिस करो।
Lots of negativity out there.
दुनिया में बहुत नकारात्मक ऊर्जा है।
Okay? Next. Knowledge of sensing is very important. You must learn how to sense.
सेंसिंग करना आप सीख लो, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
Energy field.
आपका एनर्जी फील्ड आप चेक
Human
करो।
aura.
आपका ऑरा,
Animals energy field.
एनिमल का, प्राणियों का
Plants
एनर्जी
energy
फील्ड,
field.
पौधों का एनर्जी
And your
फील्ड
soul.
और एंटिटीज या आत्माएं आपके आजू बाजू है,
And
ये भी
many
आप
stuff.
सेंस करना सीखो और
The types
बहुत
of
सारी
pain.
चीजें हैं।
Physical pain. Emotional pain.
ये दर्द
Mental
के
pain.
प्रकार है, फिजिकल,
And
इमोशनल,
spiritual pain.
स्पिरिचुअल
Okay?
पेन भी होता है।
Now, emotional pain.
चिंता,
Anxiety,
anxiety,
depression,
depression,
sadness,
दुख।
and grief. Yes or no? All these are there. How to accept it? One lady called me up.
एक महिला
She
ने
told
मुझे
me,
फोन किया था,
sir, I want to kill myself.
बोल रही थी सर मुझे सुसाइड करना है, मुझे मर जाना है।
My mother died.
मेरी माँ मर गई,
I cannot live it. I also want to die.
मैं भी मर जाना चाहती हूँ, मैं जिंदा नहीं रह
I asked her a
सकती।
question. How many children you have?
मैंने सर उसको पूछा आपके कितने
Three
बच्चे हैं?
children.
उसके 3 बच्चे थे,
All daughters.
तीनों लड़कियां थी।
11 years, 8 years, and 5 years.
11 साल, 8 साल और 5 साल।
You want to die?
उनको मरना था।
Okay. Take the 3 children and all die together.
वो बोली तीनों बेटियों को साथ में लेके आप मर जाओ।
You die, who take care of them?
सर बोले अगर आप मर जाते हो अकेले तो इनका कौन काम करेगा?
Stupid thinking, you know.
इनका ध्यान कौन रखेगा?
So people are so funny. They think.
लोग पागल के जैसे विचार करते हैं, सोचते नहीं है लोग।
Let them go. You have to be here by yourself.
अगर आपको ये आपका
So,
कर्मा है तो आपको
solution
जिंदा रहना है।
emotion, counseling, talk therapy, medication, all these are very important.
इमोशनल इश्यूज के लिए आप काउंसलिंग ले सकते हो या किसी के साथ बात
Other
कर
good
सकते
friends
हो।
who talk to you.
फ्रेंड्स, अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हो तो उनके साथ बात कर सकते हो या मेडिकेशन
So
ले
all the
सकते
medications for life.
हो।
There's
अगर
one
जिंदगी
place.
पर मेडिकेशन
There's
ले
one
सकते
place I went. This lady got 4, 5 dogs.
हो। एक लेडी के पास 5 कुत्ते थे।
The 5 dogs, madam. So she went to Europe for 1 month holiday. She went to Europe for 1 month holiday.
वो एक महीने की छुट्टी के लिए यूरोप
The
चली।
dog, the family took care.
बाकी के परिवार ने कुत्तों को के देखभाल किया।
Now this one dog died
उसमें से एक कुत्ता मर गया
when she was holiday.
जब वो हॉलिडे पर
They
थे।
never tell her.
उन्होंने उसको बताया नहीं, फैमिली ने
So
उसको
when
नहीं
she came
बताया।
back, they told her the dog died.
जब वो वापस आई तब बताया कि
You
कुत्ता
know,
मर
you know what
गया।
happened?
तो क्या हुआ,
Anxiety pills.
वो लेडी जो थी उसको एंजाइटी पिल्स लेनी पड़ी।
30 years.
आगे के 30 साल तक वो एंजाइटी पिल्स
One
ले
dog,
रही
madam.
थी, एक कुत्ते के लिए।
People are crazy, isn't it? Dog
लोगों की
died.
दिमागी
Find
हालत
another
ठीक
dog.
नहीं
Find
है।
another dog.
दूसरा कुत्ता ले लो।
Good song. Husband died. Find another husband. Another song.
आपका गुड आइडिया सर।
Yes, madam. Husband dead. After death, madam. What would you cry? Hey, find another wife. That's all. This man got. Can I tell about you, son? Yes. This man got married in what is the place? Sahaja Yoga. So Mataji, you get married. Some gurus who do that, you know. On that day, problem for you. Correct, my friend? The day problem. Guru died and gone. Guru died and gone, huh? Now he is talking to the wife. Tell Guru, please help me. My wife not changing. Please help me. Find another wife.
सहज योगा में इनकी शादी कराई हुई थी। कोई गुरु ने बताया कि ये लड़का है, ये लड़की है, शादी कर लो। ना वो खुश नहीं है
It's not
किसी के
easy.
साथ।
It's not easy, my friend.
तो क्या ये वाइफ को छोड़ दे, दूसरी वाइफ लेके आए? सब
All
सोचते
this
हैं दूसरा
asking
हस्बैंड
me,
ले
what
लो।
happened? What happened? He's there because of the son.
उनका बेटा है तो वो एक साथ रहते हैं बेटी
No
के।
son, you let him go already, yeah? Yes. So
अगर
think
बेटा
about
नहीं
it.
होता तो कुछ और सोच सकते थे।
Understand? So
लेकिन
easy,
बेटी
man. Not
जिम्मेदारी।
easy. Two people live together.
दो
Both must
लोगों को एक साथ रहना
understand.
आसान नहीं है।
If somebody is very egoistic, then what
किसी
to
को
do?
ईगो बहुत
I
बड़ा
won't
है,
change. I
वो
won't
चेंज
change. I
नहीं
won't
होगा,
change.
तो फिर एक साथ रहना
So
आसान
end up
है।
with depression pills.
फिर डिप्रेशन के पिल्स लेने पड़ते हैं, एंजाइटी की दवाई लेनी पड़ती है।
That's all, man. They, you know what they have? Hormones. Serotonin.
इसमें सेरोटोनिन के लिए हार्मोन्स
That's
होते हैं।
all. Because hormones cannot produce by the head.
सेरोटोनिन हार्मोन
Right.
अपने खुशी के लिए जिम्मेदार है,
Like that,
तो इसमें ये
so people depression,
हार्मोन
anxiety.
चेंज होता है।
Are these permanent cure?
क्या ये परमानेंट क्योर है आपके लिए?
One more lady, madam.
और एक लेडी थी,
Husband,
उसका पति,
wife, and daughter.
अच्छा पति पत्नी और एक बेटी।
So the lady's husband and brother died.
वो महिला का भाई मर गया,
Very depressed.
वो बहुत डिप्रेस हो गई।
So American doctor said, keep dog.
तो अमेरिकन डॉक्टर ने बताया कि एक कुत्ता रख लो।
Yes, American people need help, madam. They need dog, madam.
वहाँ पे बहुत कुत्ते
Because
रखे।
service dogs.
हाँ, एक सर्विस डॉग उसने रखा।
That dog will enter the aeroplane also, madam.
हाँ, वो डॉग उसके साथ एरोप्लेन में भी आके बैठता था।
Not small dog, big dog, madam.
सर्विस डॉग्स बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं, छोटा सा
Big
नहीं।
dog coming in the plane.
एक बड़ा कुत्ता
Sitting
प्लेन
there.
में बैठता था, तो बाकी के लोग
Dog,
डरते थे।
when the dog is sitting on there, sleeping there, very quiet. They used to go in the plane. They don't want to look. They quiet. What is that? Asian dog. When you go in the
वहाँ
plane.
के कुत्ते भी बहुत वेल ट्रेंड है, तो उनको बोलना नहीं पड़ता है कि शांति से बैठो। यहाँ के एशियन डॉग्स को खींचना पड़ता है।
American dogs are trained, madam.
अमेरिकन डॉग्स बहुत अच्छे
They
ट्रेंड है।
forgot to bark also.
That is why you want to go to America, sir.
The dog will bark also. Why the dog? Where's the dog?
At least the dogs are trained over
I
there.
have never seen, madam,
Husbands are not trained.
I've never seen an American dog and European barking.
हाँ, अमेरिकन
You don't know how to bark,
में
right?
ज़्यादा भौंकते नहीं।
Everybody can go in the dog and touch. As you come to Malaysia, you touch it, see. They don't know how to bark.
बहुत aggressive होते हैं।
Even when the teeth come, hey, yes, they can go, let them go. So what happened was, the doctor told her,
हाँ, डॉक्टर ने उसको बताया।
now she buy a dog. She bought a dog.
हाँ, उसने एक कुत्ता ले लिया।
$5,000.
उसने $5,000 खर्चा करके कुत्ता लिया।
Dog is bigger than a human being.
$5 लाख रुपए, म्हणजे $5,000 म्हणजे $5 लाख रुपयाचा कुत्रा घेतला। डायमंड तरी घ्यायचा।
You think this is America, you know the price. You think this is America, so you know the price.
He knows the price, sir.
So the dog will go bigger than the man.
माणसापेक्षा पण मोठा झाला तो कुत्रा।
So now, wife, brother, and husband.
अच्छा, पति बायको, हाँ, सॉरी, वो आदमी, उसका ये कुत्ता और ये वाइफ, ऐसे
Brother, this big.
जो भाई मर गया था, इसके लिए कुत्ता लिया था, वो अभी इतना बड़ा है।
After 6 months,
6 महीने के
brother
बाद,
become this big.
6 महीने के बाद भाई और बड़ा बन गया।
No place in the bed.
बाकी किसी के लिए अब जगह नहीं है.
Husband out of the bed.
हस्बैंड निकाल दिया.
No joke, man.
ये जोक नहीं है, ये सच्ची बात है. हस्बैंड को बेडरूम से बाहर निकाल
Brother
के
got
कुत्ता अंदर आ
no
गया.
place now. Brother got no place. Brother time gone. Now dog is the brother now.
भाई तो मर गया, अभी कुत्ता उसकी जगह आ गया.
This is my story. This
Wait
is
a
my
minute, let me do that. So the book, so good, madam. No joke, madam. So now, after that, the dog only follow the wife. Now husband want no food also.
अभी वो कुत्ता वो लेडी के पीछे पीछे घूमता रहता है. हस्बैंड को खाना भी नहीं मिलता.
Finally,
फिर
husband out of the house.
फाइनली हस्बैंड घर छोड़ के ही चला गया.
Divorce.
डिवोर्स हो गया. कुत्ते की वजह से डिवोर्स हो गया.
Daughter, so much a problem.
डॉक्टर को बहुत
Now she
इमोशनल
go to the
प्रॉब्लम.
psychiatrist. I feel like committing suicide.
साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाके बोल रही है मुझे सुसाइड करना है.
Very common, madam.
ये बहुत कॉमन है यूएस
The
में.
doctor told her, your daughter has got this problem. Give her whatever she wants.
डॉक्टर ने बताया तुम्हारी बेटी को प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको जो चाहिए वो दे दो.
So what they doing?
तो क्या किया?
Party every day, party.
तो रोज पार्टी करने लगी.
All friends and party.
बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स एंड पार्टी.
Can you imagine, madam? You think children are very easy in America, madam? Not easy.
अमेरिका में बच्चे बड़े करना आसान
We
नहीं
got
है.
one children, one kid only, madam.
एक ही बेटी थी अकेली और उसको
Yes, sir. You want to share experience?
This is my son's case. You are
Wait, sir, wait.
This we are already. It is already there. Yes.
Tell me.
You know, my son got married in the year 2016. It's a love marriage. That girl is Punjabi. She was from a very rich family from Pune. So then after her education, my son was studied in USA and he got a job in San Francisco in an IT company and he was working from home. In the meantime, he got married to my daughter-in-law and he took my daughter-in-law to San Francisco and she has finished her MA study with the help of my son. And I was there in August, September 2023. And after I returned from USA to India, I got to know they got separated in February 2024. Now it has more than 2 years. They have one bungalow in San Francisco. After this separation, my daughter-in-law sold that bungalow and she started living in SFO in a rented house with that dog. And my son, due to certain visa issue, he moved to Canada and now he is staying in Vancouver. When I discussed this matter with Shiva sir in last February 2025, Shiva sir has told me this has taken separation because of that dog. My daughter-in-law loved that dog so much, my son has to move out.
I'm telling the truth, man. Okay.
And they got this dog in around they spent around 4 lakhs rupees.
4 lakhs
And
rupees.
this dog is fully trained. He knows because one trainer was also coming there to
Got to pay for the trainer.
teach that dog. Even in every 15 days they used to do the shampoo and
cutting hair.
everything. Yes.
Grooming.
Grooming. So this is the case of this is my case.
So when the dog died before her, she'll be having anxiety pills. That's all. That's all. If the dog is going to die before you, how can you live? They will cry, my dog died, my dog died, my dog died, please help me. And that is so much a problem with us. Because you know why? The dog is put your the dog will not scold you, would not do anything bad for you, it jump on you. Wow, husband say, hey, shut up, do the work.
The separation of this has taken place by that dog. That Shiva
Exactly. She doesn't need a husband, she needs a dog.
Dog is trained to attend the woman.
No. I'm telling the truth, sir. This is the life in America. America. Because the dog doesn't talk back to you, just follow you wherever you
The
go.
dog is very important in
Waiting for the house, waiting for you to come back, he'll jump on you, husband will jump on you, the dog will jump on you. Yes or not? Yes, I'm telling you the truth, this is how life is, madam. Yes, sir, there's another part. I went to a house. They have got 6 rooms in the house. No children, 2 cats. Each cat had his own room. Queen size bed. Each cat. To climb, they got a ladder to climb to sleep in the bed. I don't understand. That's life, madam. The cat had got heart surgery. There's one time I saw a cat having blood transfusion. There's another cat and did blood transfusion for this cat. The things they do this lifetime, you do not know, madam, today. The whole trouble is, madam, they're so emotionally attached. When the animal dies, they don't know how to manage it. End up with this kind of things. Anxiety, pains, depression, this, that.
They love dogs so much, if they buy ice cream, they will feed first to dogs and then they will start eating. This I have seen personally.
That's right.
That is the life.
I hope this kind of culture don't come to India, madam. I'm telling you. Thoroughly.
But not ice cream culture.
Okay, never mind, madam. I said, don't be like that.
They
Huh?
have got the insurance policy of their
Yes.
dog and they go for a medical checkup
Checkup.
every 3 months. That
Yes.
is top priority. Even he will lose the job, but he will take top priority of his dog.
Exactly.
That is the case.
Very sad. Yeah, madam. Thank you, Sir Shari. Thank you. Yeah?
डॉग का कर्मा अच्छा था शायद.
What's that? Your karma is bad. Next lifetime, you want a Muslim, there's no dog in your house. That's it. You know Muslims don't like dogs? No. No dogs in Muslim's house. See? So that lady had 30 years of anxiety because of the dog died. They never told her the dog died. She's a lawyer, not married. Understand? So please be careful. Don't end up in trouble with things like this, huh? You have a dog, no problem. Don't make him a family member. Because one time,
उसको फैमिली मेंबर परिवार की तरह ना सोचो.
one time, one lady came to me
और एक लेडी सर के पास आई.
and she told me, sir, we have married for 6 years now, we have no child, we don't have a child.
6 साल से शादी हुई है लेकिन बच्चा नहीं है.
I
सर
said,
को
please go back and call your husband.
सर ने बताया हस्बैंड को भी लेकर आओ.
Then she called me after 2 hours, so can I bring my daughter?
उसने 2 घंटे के बाद फोन करके पूछा, सर मैं हस्बैंड को नहीं मेरे डॉटर को ले आऊं क्या?
I thought you have no child. No, my dog is like my daughter.
वो बोली मेरा कुत्ता मेरे डॉटर के जैसा है.
Madam, thank you very much. You keep your daughter and enjoy, sir, don't come and see me.
सर ने बोला आप अपनी डॉटर अपने पास रखो मत आओ.
Don't waste my time. You see, man, how can you have a child when you do something like that? When God cannot give you a child, only give a human being who so much responsibility, you place some good karma, you want to talk with your daughter, then what can I do with her? So your mind is so smart.
देखो बेटी मत बोलो, बच्चा मत बोलो.
Understand, my friend? So please understand. Treat the dog. Give it what they need to do.
प्यार करो.
Don't make like a family member, or give this thing. One day I went to the house with her. This dog only stayed in the aircon room.
कुत्ते को एयर कंडीशन रूम में रखना.
So they came to my mother's house.
उनके माताजी के घर में वो
And
गए.
there's no aircon room. The dog was in the car. The dog did not come out from the room. He left the aircon
एयर
on.
कंडीशनर नहीं था तो कुत्ते को गाड़ी में एसी चला के बिठाया था.
So I said, what happened to this dog? No, I need aircon for the dog. To pay dog. This is what kind of
कुत्ते
people?
के लिए एसी चला के 2 घंटे गाड़ी में रखा था.
My brother had a dog.
अब भाई के पास कुत्ता था.
And the dog don't know how to eat.
कुत्ते को खाना कैसे खाता है मालूम नहीं था.
Every day feeding
क्योंकि
the dog.
उसको फीड किया जाता था.
For 11 years.
11 साल तक कुत्ते को फीड करते थे. तो अपने
He
आप से
said,
खाता
what kind of
नहीं.
stupid dog is it? Don't know eat. They really feed the dog. They tie this and they feed the dog. And the 3
पेट लगा के
children,
कुत्तों को खिलाते थे.
and the 3 children, and the mother and the father fighting. Who's going to feed now? You feed, I feed, you feed, I feed.
कुत्ते को कौन खिलाए कि इस पे झगड़ा होता था. 3 बच्चे, मम्मी और हस्बैंड झगड़ा करते थे कुत्ते को
Now the
कौन
dog
खिलाए.
died.
अब कुत्ता मर गया.
I told my sister-in-law,
सर ने अपने सिस्टर इन लॉ को बताया.
you feed a human being that is 11 years old now. You feed a dog, what do you get? The dog is dead and gone, what do you get? See, a lot of funny people, I don't know what to do. So please don't be that kind of people, huh? Please don't be that kind of people.
ऐसे मत बनो, आपकी इमोशनल बॉडी इतनी वीक
So
मत
now
करो।
mental pain, lunatic, astral pain, both male and female. There's a soul and dark energy.
Lunatic,
Hearing
astral pain,
voices, feeling something
dark
always
energy.
around you.
आवाजें सुनाई
Intention of taking one's
देना,
life.
कोई आजू बाजू है ऐसा लगना,
Panic and phobia.
पैनिक, फोबिया, बहुत तीव्र
It's all
विचार आपके
mental
आगे
illness.
होना, ये सब
Nobody will believe you.
कोई आपके ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करेगा।
Even the psychiatrist won't believe you.
साइकियाट्रिस्ट भी आपकी बात नहीं सुनेगा,
Because he doesn't know about soul. He doesn't know that about
क्योंकि
your
उनको
mind.
सोल
Your
ये सब
mind.
मालूम नहीं है,
They never learn about souls. man.
उन्होंने ये सब सीखा ही नहीं है।
Okay, now mental illness is real.
लेकिन मेंटल इलनेस सच्चाई है।
So nothing, huh? So now, so a very common medical diagnosis: bipolar,
बाइपोलर,
schizophrenia.
स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया।
Bipolar is one soul. Schizophrenia is many souls together.
बाइपोलर में एक सोल अटैचमेंट होता है, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया में बहुत सारे सोल्स
They can
अटैच।
see the soul.
और ये लोग जो होते हैं स्किज़ोफ्रेनिक,
The
उनको
whole
सोल्स
night
दिखते
they be
हैं,
talking.
वो सोल्स के साथ रात भर बात करते रहते हैं,
They can see, but you cannot see.
उनको वो सोल्स दिखते हैं,
As you
लेकिन
go
उनको नहीं
older
दिखते।
and older,
जैसे वो बड़े होते
you
हैं,
become dementia.
वो डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं,
Some old lady shouting and screaming in the room.
चिल्लाते हैं, गुस्सा करते हैं।
You see people shouting, screaming all night. Old ladies,
रात भर
60, 70, 80 years old now.
बड़ी जो औरतें होती है,
The
बूढ़ी,
brains are gone.
वो चिल्लाती है, गुस्सा हो जाती है, आपको
What
पता
happened?
होगा।
So many souls disturbing you. Many souls disturbing you. Okay?
ये बहुत सारी सोल्स उसको डिस्टर्ब करते
Hearing
हैं,
voices.
आवाजें सुनाई देना।
Last time we were in Nasik.
She is facing same problem.
Huh? What problem she has? One girl was singing, very girl.
24 hours FM radio is.
FM really going on. What happened to her? I don't know. Now what happened? What did happen? What she?
What happened?
नाही सारख्या होत आहेत तसे.
She also hears
Also
voices.
having the same problem.
Now you hearing?
नाही लहानपणापासून जन्माच्या वेळेला कोण नव्हतं माझ्या
She can hear voices since her childhood.
Now she can hear.
कंटिन्यू
Even now she can.
Come. Let's see. Let's see what happened.
इनको आवाजें सुनाई देती है बचपन से।
मी जेव्हा लहान होते जन्माला आले तेव्हा माझ्यासोबत कुणी नव्हतं. आजी घेऊन गेली होती.
What language is speaking? Wow. Non stop, huh? Full stop.
असं होतं.
But full stop, huh? To the language.
इधर भी कुछ वही है.
There's something in her throat also.
हाँ, इधर बोल है वो बोलता है उदबत्ती लेकर इधर जलाओ मैं बाहर आ
Oh,
जाऊंगा.
she feels that
सब
something is
मुस्लिम है,
sitting
सब
here
मुस्लिम है
and
अंदर.
that incense stick, she should burn herself here so that that thing will come out. That is what she
वो
hears.
बोलता है अंदर से.
That voice tells her to burn herself here.
Has she done it before?
तुम्ही केलं का असं कधी?
नाही मी नाही
She has
केलेलं.
never done it.
तुमच्यासारखे त्यांनी केलं पण ते आलं नाही.
Somebody has done it like that for her, but that soul has not come out.
ती बोलत होती तुमच्यासाठी पण उदबत्ती लावून पण ते येत नाही बाहेर. पण तू इथं उदबत्ती लावून येतो बाहेर. तिला दिसला पण तिच्या
That soul is telling.
Yeah. Talk so much, the soul never ran away. Ask her. The soul ran away.
लहान
Ask her.
बाळासारखं
Who's talking now?
हे तुम्ही बोलताय का? का आवाज येत आहे तुम्हाला असे?
नाही मी जे सांगते पण जे काय सांगते ते लक्षात द्या मला असं मला म्हणायचं.
What's her name?
तुमचं नाव
योगिनी
काय?
जाऊन जा.
योगिनी.
योगिनी जाऊन जा.
What's her friend's name?
फ्रेंडचं नाव काय? त्या ज्यांनी उदबत्ती लावली.
फ्रेंड नाही लेडीज होती.
हा, कोण होती लेडीज?
नाही आई
नाव नाही माहिती. She didn't
Ask,
know.
ask the name.
नाव विचार काढता येईल का कुठून आलं?
नाही
She doesn't know.
How many voices are you listening?
एक मिनिट.
How
किती
many
आवाज
voices
आहे?
is it? Same voice or different voices?
एकच आवाज सारखा सारखा आहे.
खूप आहे.
किती असेल? 10, 5, 15
नाही ते म्हणतात सगळं मुस्लिम धरत आता म्हणतात.
Muslim also.
Muslim souls. There is a Muslim hell inside
वेताळ
her.
वेताळ
Muslim
त्यांच्यातलं
hell.
आहे, सगळं त्यांच्यातलंच आहे.
And
ते
there are
सांगतात
many
सगळं.
voices telling her, they are calling her, they say there is a Vetal inside her. Vetal is a demon.
Who's saying that?
Those voices. Pathan. There is some Pathan who talks to her.
हा.
Matlab the voices.
And
She
one-
does a Pathan voice.
One more thing, he's telling only Shiva Sir can remove you.
Who said? You said that.
No.
I remove
No,
also.
and the people who is talking
Oh.
to her, they are saying,
Oh, they are saying only Shiva Sir can
They know me.
They know you.
They must say something. What?
From Aurangabad workshop, sir. We are connected with you.
We called also before 1 month. I called her.
Oh, you called me, talk to me.
You said past like 5 is attached, but still it is.
Now, how to find this out?
हे कसं पाहिजे कैसे ये ढूंढेंगे
Stand and go.
Recording.
Simple. First of all, everybody start the basic things.
एकदम बेसिक से शुरुआत
Basic
करो
means sensing the aura, right?
और सेंस करो
Don't worry. Start. Okay? Aura sensing. Stop it. Stop it. Good. Why she came yesterday?
Yes.
Fine. 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 Turn, madam.
उल्टा फिरा
Madam. What's your name, madam?
योगिनी
Yogini is the name. Yogini is also something to do with the other one. Okay. Yogini is Ajna Chakra, Pingala Nadi, Ira Nadi, Adaka Shishuna. Now, this pearl one can heal all the aura. I say, healing one, healing particular. Do Ida Pingala on the complete aura of the, do Ida Pingala on the complete aura,
Sir, pearl
physical
one से
body,
क्या कर रहे हैं?
energy body, astral body, mental body. Adha Chakra, Pingala Nadi, Ira Nadi, Adha Chakra, Shishumana. Okay, now, checking now, this energy body, astral body, mental body. Okay, now, I'm coming here, look at front, look at front. So now, going. Connecting. Throat chakra, no. Ajna is connected.
आजना चक्र
Crown
बहुत दूर
chakra
तक जाना
is
है
connected.
क्राउन चक्र भी ऊपर जाना है
Past life,
पास्ट
yes.
लाइफ है
This life, no.
इस उम्र का इस जन्म में नहीं है
Black magic, no.
Black magic
White
नहीं है, white
magic,
magic
soul
नहीं है।
attachment.
सोल अटैचमेंट्स है
How many souls? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 200, 300, 400,000 souls attached.
400,000 सोल्स अटैच्ड है उसको
What do you do in the past life, madam? 400,000 souls.
4 लाख सोल्स
400,000 souls.
400,000 सोल्स है आत्माएं हैं
Was a guru? She was a guru.
यहाँ गुरु है ये गुरु थी खुद
Guru.
पास्ट लाइफ में
King? No.
राजा थी नहीं
1, 2, 3 lives. She was a guru of 3 lives.
3 जन्म के लिए वो गुरु थी
3 lives. You ask 1 life, 2 life, 3 life. Guru.
ऐसे पूछो 1 लाइफ 2
So
लाइफ
she's
3 लाइफ
actuated many people are still attached to her.
बहुत सारे लोग अभी तक अटैच्ड है उसको
You know Patriji?
Yes.
With the pyramid? What did he say? What age he said he will die? No, at what age he said he will die?
उन्होंने कौन से उम्र में मैं चला जाऊंगा ऐसे बोला मर जाऊंगा ऐसा बोला
No, he said about 90 years old he will die. At what age he died?
68. I think 68.
Something like that, he died. And what did he say? What did he say? To all his followers, I'll be waiting in the Orion belt. You all can come and join me.
उन्होंने सोल्स को बोला मैं रुकूंगा तुम्हारे लिए ओरियन बेल्ट में
So all the followers will go.
सारे जो फॉलोअर्स थे अभी वो ओरियन बेल्ट में उनके पास चले गए
Some stupid followers will even commit suicide
कुछ फॉलोअर्स ने सुसाइड भी कर लिया
to follow him.
उनके पीछे जाने के लिए
Yes, because so crazy on this man.
इतने वो पागल थे वो गुरु के पीछे कि सुसाइड कर लिया
Or join the guru, and everybody goes to join them. So what is created? Created energy is somewhere called Orion belt, but is it really there, or he just said to himself?
क्या वो वहीं पर है या कहीं और
When you are
चले गए?
alive, you are in control. When you die, you are no in control. The divine will take control of you.
मरने के बाद तुम्हारा कुछ भी कंट्रोल रहता नहीं है डिवाइन टेक ओवर करेगा
Like that, the gurus will promise, I'll give you moksha. You will come to me, I will be there for you. When they die, they cannot find the guru. They cannot find
गुरु
him.
प्रॉमिस करते हैं मोक्ष दिला दूंगा लेकिन जब मरते हो तो गुरु नहीं मिलता है तुमको मोक्ष देने के
You know
लिए
your Sahaja Yoga? He's a Muslim now. He's one Muslim. You can say whatever you like, brother. Oh, I'll be the light. I will go here, I'll go there. You can say whatever you like. But God decides you. You are not God.
डिवाइन डिसाइड करता है
You pretend and you behave like a God. That's what happens.
गुरु भगवान नहीं है
Oh, I am
गुरु
God.
ईश्वर
Come,
नहीं है
Ashram.
प्रिटेंड करता है ईश्वर होने की
You're not God.
प्रिटेंड
I am not
करता है.
God. They created energy among the people. Oh, he's Bhagavan, Shri Shri. Oh, he's Bhagavan, he's great, he's my Guru, he's God. They make their own creation, madam. God is not. No, please don't understand. I went to a function a small function in Rio de Janeiro. One man
सर
was
ये
there.
जनरल गए थे एक आदमी आया
Yeah, he was talking. I listened to him. No one said, I am Jesus Christ.
बोला था, मैं
I am
Jesus
come
Christ.
to give you. Jesus has done me, whatever.
रियो de जेनेरो में सब गए थे वो आदमी बोला था मैं जीसस क्राइस्ट हूँ.
Everybody create something like that.
सबको
And they
कुछ ना
were
कुछ
followers.
पावर चाहिए बड़ा चाहिए.
Lost followers, man, lost.
He had उनके पास बहुत फॉलोअर्स थे.
Yes, the people believe and they all go to them and
लोग
be like
विश्वास
that.
रखते हैं और उनके ऐसे लोगों के पीछे पीछे चलते हैं.
Okay, madam? So you got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600,000 souls attached to her.
अब 600,000 souls अभी सर ने फिर से चेक किए.
So everyone looking for her. So why she born a woman in this lifetime? She's go through something in this lifetime.
ये महिला क्यों हुई है इस जन्म में?
So
क्योंकि
now she's
उनको
not a
कुछ तो
person. She's
सीखना
a
है.
normal person. Okay, madam? So bring the information. What is a black color? What is black color?
ये क्या है? मंगलसूत्र लेडीज वेयर.
Another one?
मणी
This one? This one?
मणी मंगल
वो था मंगलसूत्र मैरिड वुमेन वेयर.
2 husbands. No? One husband. Divorce. Why 2 months? After divorce, why Mangalasutra?
कसली सेफ्टी? तुम्ही डायव्हर्स आहात.
हाँ.
मग हे कशाला घातलंय?
आपलं समाजासाठी माणसाचं
अच्छा.
आपल्याचं काही फक्त
समाज के लिए
हाँ.
सोसाइटी looks at her in a wrong way, so she is wearing it.
Because
She
she
is
is
a
living
divorcee.
alone.
You see, madam?
But
She is living alone now.
She is
So
living
others
alone.
You
are-
see, my
So
friend,
she wears.
how difficult for an Indian woman.
Yes.
So difficult. So divorce, they don't even rent a house to you. Correct, my friend? The divorced woman, they won't even rent a house to you. Correct? Yes, I'm telling you. She's still there for protection. Even this is protection for her.
उनको मंगलसूत्र पहन रखा है.
Usually in India, when your husband died, they will throw everything away from his white sari. Yes or no? Yes, so for her, he's still my husband. You know why the husband divorced her? Talking all night, talking. It's not easy, madam. To marry somebody, because these people don't sleep. This soul don't sleep, madam. You have
आत्माएं
to
सोती
sleep.
नहीं है, रात भर बातें करती रहती हैं.
They'll keep on disturbing you.
आपको डिस्टर्ब करती रहेगी.
Say, to whatever wrong I may have done in my past life. It's English. Doesn't matter.
To whatever wrong I have done in my past life.
To whomever I may have done wrong in my past life.
My past life, our supreme body,
That's all.
to my higher soul, to the great God, and God, thank you for bringing us together. Thank you for blessing our karma. I am accepting the divine direction and plan. I am asking for
Okay, ma'am.
forgiveness.
Please. Come. Yes. Please. Okay, madam, I have just removed everything.
सगळं काढलंय सरांनी.
Yes, it's fine. This is fine. This is the energy body. This is the emotional body. This is the mental body. Okay? All are gone now.
आता आवाज येते?
हो.
So now we can.
हो.
She is still here. Very process.
It's okay. This will.
सांगायचं काय की मी जेव्हा लहान होते जन्माला आले
All right, Thomas,
त्यावेळेला
please.
कोणच नव्हतं.
Once, please. Single one. The healing one. Healing condition. What's the name? Yogini. Yogini is Ananta Chakra and Crown Chakra. Start with 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. 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 Now say healing one. Heal and condition. And see whatever cracks or holes Yogini has in the crown chakra. Wait, different. Must make it like a lollipop, like this. Slowly, like that. The lollipop thing.
हाँ,
Like
बिगर
that. And then slowly come down. Like that. होता है that the lollipop thing that goes down like that, like that, what I mean? The thing like that, and then come back again. Like slowly making like a small circle and a big circle. Like a continuous circle that goes like that, like that, like that, and like that. Spiral, like a spiral.
स्पाइरल में
Healing
घुमाओ,
one.
छोटे से बड़ा, बड़े से
Yes,
छोटा।
healing one, healing condition. So Guinness, healing condition, and seal all the cracks and all the holes on Yoginis and chakra. And go like slowly, like a spiral. Slowly all the way down, and all up and back again. This is one cycle. Do another one. And then back again. Okay, fine, good. Okay, so then the eye chakra, Ajna Kara. Okay, man? Don't sit down, don't worry. Let's see what happens.
नाही बस मला एकच गोष्ट सांगितली टीचरला लहान होते ना त्यावेळेला त्याच्यात लहान माहिती केलेली सांगितलं तेव्हाच आम्ही आश्रय शिकलोय म्हणजे बाळाला जे दुखतात ना ती
I'm sure it's a minority of Mongolian women.
She was born, and even before cleaning the baby, the voices have told her
आज
that
सगळं
even before cleaning the baby when she was born, they have entered her.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
She's a guru for so many years. What did she do? Remember this very carefully. Don't promise something that you cannot deliver to anybody.
जो आप दे नहीं सकते हो, इसको प्रॉमिस मत करो।
All the gurus will do that. They say, "No customers, come. I promise you this. I promise that." Nothing happens. Understand? Please understand this. What happened in this world? You are not God. Tell all these gurus, you are not God. You still have to go to the law of karma.
आप
I have to go to the law
आपको
of
भी
karma.
कर्मा के
I cannot play the fool. I
हिसाब से
cannot
चलना
cheat you.
पड़ेगा।
I cannot promise you anything. You have to do your own path. I can show you the path. You got to take the path.
सर कह रहे हैं मैं आपको रास्ता दिखा सकता हूँ लेकिन रास्ते पे आपको ही चलना है, मैं आपको लेके नहीं जा सकता हूँ।
Okay, guys? Understand? Let's see for a while. Let's see what happens. Don't worry. Huh? That's what's happening. Next, look at this. Split personality. 2-3 people in your body.
एक ही शरीर में 2-3 पर्सनालिटीज है, स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी।
You're scared. Something is there.
ये बाइपोलर है, डर लग रहा है, कोई और है।
Psychosomatic. Oh, where you coming from? I hear elephant in the baby.
ये
I am
आवाज आ रही है,
Jesus.
रेडियो की जैसे।
Maybe I am
Aliens-
Jesus.
मैं
Something
जीसस
following
हूँ।
me.
मेरे पीछे कोई आ रहा है,
Something always
एलियंस आ रहे हैं।
in your brain. Okay, so now they have a lot of psychosomatic medicine, antipsychotic, anti-ADHD, anti-anxiety, antidepressant, mood stabilizers, so many things inside. These hormones. Some people start taking drugs, they can't take it anymore, they have to take drugs all the time.
ऐसे लोगों को दवाई लेनी पड़ती है।
Women are mostly affected with emotion.
महिलाओं को ये इमोशनल इश्यूज ज्यादा होते
You
हैं।
want to become like being a woman. Negative thoughts, suicidal thoughts, then depression, anxiety,
आपको
sadness,
वुमन होना
fear.
कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता है, नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं, सुसाइडल थॉट्स आते हैं, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, दुख, डर।
Food can affect emotion from
इवन
childhood.
आपका खाना आपके इमोशनल इश्यूज
Sometimes a small child,
बचपन में कोई इश्यूज हो गए तो
some men have sexually assaulted you.
किसी आदमी ने अगर आपको सेक्सुअली असॉल्ट किया है बचपन में तो वो भी आपके
See,
ट्रॉमा हो
I
सकता है।
see a lot of people coming to me and this child is still having this emotion.
बहुत सारे महिलाएं सर के पास ऐसे आती हैं जिनको ये ट्रॉमा होता
I
है।
am deeply, completely, and not accepting myself. You must say this word and please, huh?
जब आप करते हो तब ये शब्द बोलना बहुत जरूरी है। आई एम
Fear.
डीपली कंप्लीटली एंड कॉन्शियसली
Fear,
एक्सेप्टिंग माय सेल्फ।
worries, disappointment, anxiety, anger, grief, and many more.
ये नकारात्मक एनर्जीज है।
Working environment,
ये आपके
Family.
काम के जगह से आ सकती है, फैमिली से आ सकती है,
Organization.
नेबर से आ सकती है, स्पिरिचुअल
Friends.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से आ सकती है,
Etc.
फ्रेंड्स से भी आ सकती है,
some
आजू
of
बाजू
ladies,
के लोगों से आ
many
सकती है।
ladies, we meet, ask why they are born.
बहुत सारी महिलाएं पूछती है मैंने
Why
जन्म क्यों
born as
लिया,
ladies?
मैंने एक वुमन के इसमें जन्म क्यों लिया,
Why they
जेंडर
got
मैंने
married?
शादी क्यों की,
Why they having
मैंने
children?
बच्चे क्यों पैदा किए।
Because the children are not so good now and they're blaming the
बच्चे
mother.
सुनते भी नहीं है, अच्छे भी नहीं है आजकल के,
And women get blamed for everything.
और वो सारा ब्लेम वो औरत पे जाता
What
है।
kind of family they have?
ये कैसी
Hope they
फैमिली
can end their
है,
life soon.
और उनको लगता है कि अब मेरी
Fear of spouse. Why
मेरे
am
जीवन
married
में
this
जल्दी से
man?
खत्म कर देती हूँ।
And you see that one and
हस्बैंड से
cry.
डर लगता है।
A lot of female children go through this matter.
बहुत सारी बच्चियों को इसमें से गुजरना
So
पड़ता
how we
है।
can help them? Community needs help.
हमको
Counseling
इनकी
group,
मदद
family,
करनी जरूरी है।
friends. Keep them occupied.
उनको काम
Idle
देना
mind,
चाहिए।
the devil's workshop.
आलसी जो मन है, खाली मन है, वो डेविल का वर्कशॉप है।
I can do this.
मैं ये नहीं कर सकती,
I must be control of myself.
मैंने खुद पे कंट्रोल करना
It's
चाहिए।
okay, it's okay.
ऐसे दिमाग आते हैं।
Positive thoughts can help you, or they
सकारात्मक
can kill
थॉट्स
you.
आपको हील कर सकते हैं, नकारात्मक थॉट्स आपको मार सकते हैं।
50 trillion cells. So you are a community, not a single person. Every cell
works together, a team.
1.4
Your liver, your heart, everything works.
50
सारे ऑर्गन्स में सेल्स हैं और वो एक साथ काम करते हैं।
times 1.4
1.4 volts.
700 trillion volts.
It works on electricity. Your body works on electricity.
हमारा शरीर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे काम करता है।
It's the government.
You know that your body works on electricity.
So if you change
No.
your thought, then your
When the heart is not working, you put a battery here.
And the mind.
Pacemaker, battery will make the heart
हमारे
work.
शरीर में एक बैटरी है, पेसमेकर है, जो हमारा हार्ट है।
You change your perception.
You change the genes.
If someone
Tells you that
you have a
you're going to have a disease, believe that you're going to have a disease.
कोई अगर आपको बताएगा कि तुमको ये डिजीज है, तो तुम भी मान लोगे।
genetic code. So
When the doctor
controls life.
check you for any small thing, what's the first thing you want to do?
World in the same
I think it's
way,
cancer.
different perceptions. And
Why not?
sometimes your perceptions
Make money.
may be right, and
पैसा
sometimes
बनाने
your
के लिए डॉक्टर भी बोलता है
Yes,
आपको
money.
बीमारी है।
perception
Yes or no?
controls biology. And
They don't teach you how to go, but do this one, but do chemo, but do this, but do that. They take all the money from you.
Belief.
आपको बहुत सारे ट्रीटमेंट में डाल देता है और पैसा निकालता
What
है।
you believe
Belief
creates
takes
your
your
life.
life.
आपका दृष्टिकोण बदलिए, आपका परसेप्शन,
Inside and on the
आपका नजरिया
outside.
बदलिए,
You are
आपके बिलीफ
responsible
सिस्टम
for
बदलिए।
Unfold in your life. Okay? Remember this, huh? Person believe you're a community of cells, not a single person.
आप एक व्यक्ति
Every
नहीं
cell
हो,
must work together
एक
to
बड़ी
do this
कम्युनिटी
work.
है पेशियों की,
Okay, thanks. Your mind is the governor of the 50
और
trillion
इसका
cells.
गवर्नर आपका दिमाग है, इन पेशियों का गवर्नर।
Change your thoughts and you
आपके
change your
विचार
cell
बदलो
biology.
और आपकी सेल बायोलॉजी पूरी तरह बदल जाएगी।
The mind is the cause of many of our health issues today. The mind.
आपका दिमाग बहुत सारी बीमारियों का कारण हो सकता है।
Okay? Next. Change your mind and your cells will start to change.
आप आपके दिमाग, आपके विचार बदलो तो आपके सेल्स, आपकी पेशियां भी
Even
बदलना
if
शुरू हो
you have a
जाएगी।
cancer cell, ask forgiveness.
आप अपने कैंसर सेल से भी फॉरगिवनेस, क्षमा याचना कर
I
सकते
may have
हैं।
done something wrong for you to work. Please forgive me.
अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है तुम्हारे साथ तो मुझे क्षमा कर दो।
Next. Everyone has different perception and see things different.
हर एक का दृष्टिकोण अलग होता है और नजरिया अलग अलग रहता है।
Okay? Next. Sometimes your perception can be right or sometimes can
कभी
be
कभी ये
wrong.
नजरिया सही हो सकता है या गलत हो सकता है।
And then, so no two persons can the same perception.
दो लोगों का नजरिया एक सरीखा नहीं हो
The
सकता।
belief system control the cell biology.
आपके जो विचार है, आपकी जो बिलीफ है, मान्यताएं हैं, वो
What
आपकी
you believe
बायोलॉजी को
control life of
कंट्रोल
inside and
करती है।
outside.
ये आपके अंदर से और बाहर से आपको कंट्रोल
You're
करती है।
responsible for the life of
आप
yourself.
खुद जिम्मेदार हो आपके जीवन के लिए।
PVH woman everywhere.
पीवीएच हर महिला के लिए है और हर जगह है।
Sometimes I feel
Peace.
sorry for
For being
being
born a woman,
but here
you
I
are
am
standing tall, learning to accept it all.
Disappointments
Weigh me down.
from my
First breath in this town.
The pain, the tears, the silent cries, the aching truth behind my eyes. The cycle comes, the body aches. So
PVH
much
is the perfect solution for this.
my heart takes. They don't see the storms I brave, the roles I play, the love I gave. Mother-in-law, sister stare, husband, boyfriends unaware, colleagues blind to what I feel. Hurt so deep, but I will heal. I am deeply, completely, consciously accepting me. Though I feel helpless, hurt inside, I hold my soul completely, consciously accepting me. Got this life, your divine plan,
The divine plan, huh?
a journey to soul to man. Yet here I stand, a woman strong, balancing karma all along. I trust this path beneath my feet. Through pain and love, I am complete. I am deeply, completely, consciously accepting me. Not just a woman, but a spark, a light that glows within the dark. I am deeply, completely, consciously accepting me. The soul within is not confined by woman's form or man's design. I am your child, your sacred flame, returning home. I call your name. Thank you, God, for this design, for making me a woman in this time. I am deeply, completely, consciously accepting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good? Thank you. That's all.